You have been on this now for a long time now. What happened?
Do you always come here?
Yes, I've been coming here. So, what's the problem?
No, I'm sorry. I don't think these dates can work.
What happened? What did I do wrong?
Nothing. I just don't think these dates can work.
Tell me, and at least tell me what I did.
See, I'm going through this menu. What I'm seeing on this menu, I cannot even pronounce the name. What's this one now? Caramel escargot. Is it the name of the country?
Caramel escargot.
See, Notch, I'm too local for you.
Okay.
Because waiting be this.
God have
wait.
mercy upon us.
You are too local for me. See, the truth is that I've not been here before. This is my first time coming here. Give me the broom, my baby. Wait till you carry me come here. See, when I saw your pictures on Instagram, the way you snap your picture, take your pictures, fine places, and I was like, where I go carry this girl go? I said, okay, let me carry you come here. Just to impress you. I don't know, say. I can't pressure myself.
So wait. I find like that. Tell me.
You want now, but then I see now.
Well, you've impressed me. I am impressed. But carry me go where I go chop better fufu and afang soup.
See, I can't even go wear suit. You know when I wear suit last? Not reach 5 years. Even the suit they struggle with me. It won't kill me, see.
That's what you wear this suit.
You like it, Abby?
This is what I'm talking about.
When we finish this food, you get where they chop crocodile meat. You don't chop them before?
No. Really?
Why you eating watching? Eating watch up on me?
Oh, you wanted me to go and eat perfume rice, eh?